Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this app isn't compatible on iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to home screen. Step 2. Understand the error message. The message this app isn't compatible with your phone usually appears when an app does not support your iPhone model or iOS version in the App Store. Step 3. Check your iOS version. Open the settings, then tap on General, then tap on About, then check your iOS version. Step 4. Update iOS software. Go back to the settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Older iOS versions often cause compatibility issues. Step 5. Check app requirements. Open the App Store, search for the app and scroll down to App Information. Check the required iOS selection to see if your iPhone is supported. Step 6. Check your iPhone model. Some apps only work on newer iPhones. If your model is too old, the app may not be compatible. Step 7. Try an alternative app. If the app isn't supported, search the App Store for a similar app that works on your device. Step 8. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then slide to power off, then back on again. Restart iPhone to refresh your system, then check the App Store again. And that's how to fix or understand the app isn't compatible with your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.